In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drill through in Power BI. By the end, you'll know how to add a button that takes your users from a summary visual straight to a focused detail page, carrying the exact filter context with them. This is great for letting people explore specifics without cluttering your main report. First, open Microsoft Power BI. You can work in an existing file or a new one, but make sure your data model and pages are loaded. Drill through works best when you already have a detail page in mind, such as a dedicated page for a single customer, product, or region that uses drill through filters. Next, open the report you want to enhance. Think about where the drill through action will make sense. Place it near the visuals that provide the context, like a summary table or a KPI card, so it's intuitive for your users to click. Go to the ribbon at the top and click Insert. This is where you add interactive elements to your report. We're going to use a button so the action is clear, consistent, and visible. Click button. Power BI offers several ready-made button styles. These are just visual templates, so pick the one that fits your design. If you want full control, the blank button is a great choice. After you insert it on the canvas, you can resize it and position it precisely where users will expect to find it. Select a button type you like and consider adding a short label, such as drill through, so the purpose is obvious. You can adjust the text, font, and colors in the formatting pane to match your report theme. Clear labeling reduces confusion and makes the action discoverable. With the button selected, open the formatting options and click Action. This is where you turn a button from a static visual into something that responds to clicks. Toggle the action on if it isn't already. Under Action, click Type. You'll see several choices, each mapping the button to a different behavior. Select Drill. This tells Power BI to send the current filter context to a drill-through destination. The button will reference a drill-through page you've already prepared, where a field is set in the drill-through area of the filters pane. When users click the button from a visual that contains that field, they'll land on the detail page filtered to exactly what they selected. If no matching drill-through page exists, the button won't have a destination, so make sure your target page is configured beforehand. That's it. You've added a clear, guided drill-through experience that keeps your main page clean while giving users an easy path to deeper insights.